Hello, this is Varun, and we are going to discuss about the project of Kerala. And this Kerala is an application between the young people and old people, and who is ready to take care of the old people. And this project is built with some of the agendas like you can buy or care some of the best people, and young folks can earn monthly by choosing the old to take care of them. By and adults need to approve the young who trust and care of them. And here some of the reviews and ratings are also be provided to the old people. And one more thing, like and one young people can accept to only the four old peoples. And coming to the code, we are defining the three classes. Like one is the main class, and we are setting the default, like we are giving the status, and we are providing the ratings and reviews of the old people. And coming to that sibling class, it is an young class which we are giving the list of the young people, and we are providing the information of the young people who is ready to take care of the old people. And we are mentioned, like we are mentioned the before project agenda, that and one young people can accept less than four people, not more than four people. And yeah, if we accept more than four people, then it returns the false statement, and it accepts only the four people, not more than that. And the total funds can be deduced from the young people, and it is transferred to the old people's account. And if the young people is ready to take care of the old people, he will send the request to the old people. If the he like if he want if he takes the sum of the list of the old people, like uh, if he will need to take care of the some of the people, like if he want to take care of, then he should process. Otherwise he should process it is as no. And after the list is confirmed, everything list will be in a order, like it will send a confirmation order to the old people. When it goes to the old people, like he it will inform that some of the person is going to ready to take care of you, will you accept or not. Then it will return the information whether the old people is accepted. It will return that yeah, this person is ready to take care of him, and he is agree with it, and everything will be done. And if it is yes, the self status written will be true, otherwise it will be false. And if the young people list youngs list is returned, it will accept the youngs list, and it will returns to the main function. And coming to that, we mentioned some of the objects in it. Like we are given six of the old people's old functions objects, and two of the young persons objects. And here the thing is like we are returning the state, and like we are choosing the some of the young people is chosen some of the old peoples, and it will return the statement to the old peoples. And we provided some of the uh, log, like we are providing that information that who is like a object is getting cared by whom. We can get a output like some of the person is taking care of him, some of the person is taking care of them. Such like we are giving elaboration between who is taking care of whom, we can get it. And we provided some of the default ratings to the old peoples, like 5 star, 4 star, 6 star. And in this project, I mentioned that 6 star is the highest rating. And coming to that, we are providing some of the reviews, uh, reviews like whether it is good or bad, how it is, what is the experience of the young people who is ready to take care of. And we provided the income of the young people who is accepting the old people. And we are setting a sum of the funds to the old people, like 5,000, 50,000, 20,000, 10,000, 70,000. If the one person is accepted, if one person young person is accepted the one old person, the income is added to the old person's account for taking care of. Let's see how execution of this project. Like it is asking to enter your response. Yes. Yeah. And the cursor moves to the second person, like would you like to take care of the Rajaram, age 22. Yes. Ramu, yes. And Sujata, no, no, no. Yeah, it is asking to the now the people's young people option, like providing information to the old people is completed. Now it is asking to the response of the old people whether you want to take care by the Deepika or not. If you want to take care by Deepika, yes, yes, yes. Then it goes to the second younger people like Varun, and it is asking that whether you want to send the request to the Ram Reddy. Yes, yes. Ramu, yes. I am accepting everything like yes, yes, yes. Now it asking to the older people like whether you can take young people Varun or Deepika, whose request you need, you can accept that. Yes, I can. Yes, 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 yes. Like here the execution is completed, and we can get the everything in details. If we print log, like Ram Reddy is taking care of Deepika and Rajaram is taking care of Deepika. Ram is taking care of Deepika and Sujata is taken care by the Varun. And coming to that, who is taking care of whom? Like you can say that A is getting care by Deepika and B is getting their care by Deepika. C is getting care by Deepika. Like Ram is taking care of Deepika. D is Varun, and it is better like Varun. D is taking care of Varun, and by default we mention some of the ratings to the persons, and we get the ratings of the person. And for young people who got to the Ram Reddy, Raja Ramu, and the young people of Varun, this is a request is sent to the people, and this is a request who send it to the why send it to the old people. This is a care list, and this is the acceptor list. How many members in buy is 3, and fund is set in default manner. If we queue it, we are getting the output. And what is the income of Y? It will be 50,000, and what will be the income of Z? Will be 50. Same. And we have set a review like good to have. Nice to be here. Nice to be here. Yeah, we can queue it. So yeah, it's showing that nice to be here. Like that we can made an interface between the old people and young people, and it gives a request between the young people and old people who can accept the both young people and old people. Thank you.